Hi everyone. Okay, here is my house tour. This is the front of my door. So when you come in, this is what you're going to see. I won't talk throughout the whole video because I know it kind of sucks for some people. I'll just put it on mute anyways. I'm going to try and go slow. Santa we've had for about 18 years now. Okay, a little closer. Don't trying to go slow thing. We had our Christmas party and some of the candy's gone. There was candy in there. Okay, now we're going to come inside. Now, I am not a professional person, okay? So you're going to hear me scream at the dogs. Not really, but just, they're going to trip me. Go on, go back, go back. So when you come into my house, this is what you're going to see. Sorry. Oh, and I want to, there we go. So there's our welcome bear. And here we go. I'm going to go right, and I'll come back to the library. That's the library. Now this is our hallway. I made these quilts years ago, and for our party we put all kinds of full-size candy bars for everyone to take. So it has only a little bit left in there. And then I'll show you that closer. Here's the other one I made. This one's my absolute favorite. I'm hoping to make Cheyenne one. I would love to see if she would want one. My husband's in the bedroom, so the puppies are like, hey, we'll go in there. And then this is the other one I made. And they're opening the door for me. So this is the Grinch bathroom. This one's the new one. This one's... they have to inspect. So this is the one my husband remodeled this year. And you can't walk without getting tripped with 4 bulldogs. Let me go in closer. That's all bulldog sniffing. Can you get off the toilet? Oh my goodness. Not a professional. You guys get down. So that's the little nook that I was talking. If you watch my videos, then you know that I peel and this is the videos. So with this, what I did, let me show you, is I got the little Grinch. I think you can see them. The little Grinch Hershey Kisses to put in there. So yes, Hobby Lobby throughout in my house. Sorry. That's over the door. And we got the Who Wash. If you watch my unboxings, you'll see most of this stuff that I did. Okay, come on. Come on, come on, come on. Okay, and then we're gonna go back. There's toys on the floor. Okay, guys. Okay, we're gonna walk down the hallway. These are toys. They love their toys. And then we got the little welcome gnomes, and then the little project I made. You guys, so that's what I made. Okay, and then we're gonna go right, and we're gonna go into the library. So a lot of this stuff is the same from last year because it's my 3rd year decorating, but this is the I've added more. I've added way more. Sorry, you guys. They're not allowed in here, but she bolts in. This is my library. And they have their stockings. So I have 4 bulldogs, and each of those are their stockings. They'll be filled this year. I'm going to back up. So this is the library. Of course, it looks better at nighttime, but then you can't see anything. So it's like, you know, I don't know. It's pick and choose. Those are not going to stay there, but because they're not allowed in here. We have the gates because she'll eat everything. Anvil. Then they had to be in here, and they were gifts. My daughter brought me one for the party, and then my neighbor brought me another. So they're really sweet. And then we have this. It may be a little dark because the sun's going down, but then here's the other tree. So the bathroom, we added this here, and then here's the bar, and and this, my filming area, we added that also this year. They may end up barking, you guys, so just be prepared. If you're wearing headphones, they may end up barking. This is their house, and they're not here for long periods of time, you know. We only get them for a short bit of time, so I like letting them live however they want. Okay, and then this is the new area. Let me show you. I thought I turned on all the lights, but apparently I didn't, sorry. So I did gingerbread theme in here. I wasn't going to, and then I was like, wait, I have enough stuff. So I made this the gingerbread area. And then one more pan around to, there's the bar, and then here is the library. So yeah, I wonder if you can see the bar a little bit more now because of the light being on. Okay, and then here we go to the kitchen. Here's our kitchen. I'm gonna open the gate. Andel, come on. I'll leave it on here. Come on, Andel. Leave it on Ash for a second. Come on, Andel. Andel, come on. Andel, come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh my God, you guys. They're a little too much sometimes. Okay. Then we have the retro. Sorry. Still trying to get her out. Here we go. I got her out. Okay. Oh my gosh, you guys. Not a professional. Okay. Kitchen. I am not a counter person, so you won't see decorations on the counters because this is what it normally looks like. I'm not a person who puts things on counters, so that's all I have is the KitchenAid. And I did retro. Now they're gonna start fighting, so we have retro. Look at that. That one is my favorite. They found that at Hobby Lobby, and it was just so cool. There's more retro. So some of them are a little too high. You can't really see too well, but you know, you get the gist. And then I have my friend custom made that for me. And then here's my windowsill. And then let's go around again. Pan around, pan around. That's Anvil talking. And then here is the kitchen table, but it's still just a 4-foot folding table because my husband still hasn't decided what he wants to build yet. But I think he's getting closer to an idea. So that's our kitchen nook. That's where we sit and have dinner. And then here is our living room. But let me take you to our guest bathroom first. Now, if you guys remember, I was telling you about how this is my daddy's bathroom because my dad is Mexican and he's dark, and so am I, and that's our running joke, is that I'm like, he soaks up the sun, and I do too, but I avoid the sun, and so that is our biggest joke with each other. It's like, no, you're darker. Oh wow, you got darker this summer, you know, that kind of thing. So it's just fun. It's my daddy bathroom, so it's just fun. Okay, so let's go down here. This is what I have a sunken in living room, so we got to go down the steps. And then here we go. Did I say I was going to be quiet and I haven't been yet? I'm not sure. Probably, more than likely, you guys. So let me show you up close the fireplace. That is my father-in-law. Before he had cancer, I don't know if you can see it too well, he played Santa, and he made these Santa chairs. And he was certified Santa, and they get a ring and everything. And he was so perfect at it. And then this is like the only professional. This, if you remember, been with me a long time, that's Kat, Mama Bones, and Rocky. That's Ewok. But all three of those bullies died. So yeah, like I said, they're not with us long enough. So treasure every minute you can. And then I made those. I made these things. I love them so much. They're so fun. And then here is Talwin. And then here is a Santa chair. Here's one. He made two. So he made one, which was like his prototype. And then this is his second one. So this one right here is the second one because he could sit here and then he could fit 2 kids on each side and then 2 kids or a parent on the arm rests. So people can be on him, or if they didn't want to sit on his lap, they could sit next to him. And that's why he made those. He's a carpenter. That's where my husband learned all his stuff from too. You guys want to see something? My turkeys are here today. Let me show you. Those are my wild turkeys. They're in our backyard. They get to eat and stuff, so. Okay, and then we have this side. This was his original one. And that was like big enough for him. And then as he started doing events, and he never charged for his events, he realized what he needed more of. And that's why that came to fruition. Is that how you call that? Fruition? So, no English degree here. So, I got a bully following me. So yeah, this is my home tour, Christmas. I love it. It makes me happy. Normally we just have a couch here and that's it. I am not a decorator. And then look at all their toys, you guys. See how many toys they have? They have about 250 Bark Box toys. And you know what? They end up destroying everything else. You know how many times they've eaten that blanket? Multiple times when we leave the house. They're crazy. Monsters. Okay, so this is, oh, and then this, I got this at Walmart, and I bought more stuff, but I didn't have a chance to do an unboxing. But I bought this at Walmart, and then I just made the sprig from Dollar Tree bow and a sprigs from Hobby Lobby. So, you know, doctor your stuff up. It's all good. It's completely good. So this is the 3rd bathroom. That is a TV. Because every bathroom needs a TV. I love this Santa hat right here. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you liked the tour. But this is my 3rd year, and this is the most I think I've ever done. I bought so much stuff, you guys. It was crazy how much they had this year. Let me just do one more pan. And you can always pause the video also. That's my filming area where I project life, unbox, my library. Sorry, Talon. The coffee bar. And I gotta show these guys. There's Dory. And then here's Ash. And that's Talwin. So we got Talwin, Ash, Dory, and Anvil. So and then that's the hallway. So, all right, guys, take care. Bye.